kapatid, napakaswerte natin ngayong araw na to dahil isang power couple na talaga namang favorite nating lahat ang makikilala natin at papasukin natin ang kanilang may bahay, singer-songwriter, rockstar, at syempre kasama pa ang kanyang entrepreneur, super good actress, and also a flamenco dancer, ang couple na ito. Kilalanin natin sila at sure na sure ako ma-excite kayo. Let's go! At saka yung pinapasok ko na yung sarili ko, di ba? Okay, beautiful! Ang gaganda. Opo. Hello, Direk. Hello. Ang ganda. Ito ang rustic industrial may bahay ng celebrity couple na sina Ice at Liza. Taong 2015 nang sila ay lumipat dito. Parang very New York, no? Like the bricks and the wood. Very New York.
Nakakatuwa kasi second owner kami nitong house. And nung pagpasok namin, nandito na yan. The brick.
What?
Actually, dyan nagsimula ang lahat. Everything else here, parang, alam mo yun, yung pag tinurn over sa'yo, yung contemporary na parang
tiles.
Oo.
Pwera lang to.
Tiled floor and everything. Pero nakita namin itong brick. Doon kami na-inspire na parang, ano ba yung personality namin? So, that kind of like jump-started and activated everything else that's like supports the look of the brick.
Very homey and comfortable ang kanilang 3-story house na may neutral color interior. Sa sala, ibinida sa akin ni Ice ang mga priceless collection niya. Kapansin-pansin din ang bookshelves ng celebrity couple.
I have a lot of cookbooks, syempre. Influences ng iba-ibang cuisines.
So sa akin yung mga murder book. Akin din naman yung mga
mystery.
mga fiction.
Fiction,
narrative, comics, crime.
Everything about acting, I have a lot of books on acting.
Yes.
No acting. So it really reflects yung talagang passion namin dalawa.
Dahil certified coffee lover si Liza, isa sa pinaka-favorite area niya sa kanilang may bahay ang Coffee Nook. What's the favorite style of coffee that you like to make and to serve?
Ako,
Americano, no?
Latte.
Latte,
lang.
with
Latte.
milk.
Yeah, with milk.
3-in-1.
Yung mahiwagang brick that gives me New York feels, parang mala friend style. The staircase is the same?
Yeah,
You never changed it?
hindi namin pinalitan. We wanted to, pero parang
Eto, customized din yung table, tsaka yung upuan.
And whose idea was it to have open shelves?
Me.
sa lahat, wag mo na itanong yun. Pointless yun.
Na-meet ko rin si Amara, ang unika iha ni Liza na nagbabakasyon ngayon sa Pilipinas. At para sa kanya, kusina ang isa sa mga espesyal na parte ng tahanan nila.
Kasi whenever I see her cook, I know it's special.
I know.
Oo, kasi sobrang bihira.
Oo.
Especially.
may patama yun actually. Ang galing nila magpatama sa akin, no? Para ang sweet-sweet, di ba?
So it's so nice to see that you guys have built a home this way. And even when Amara is not here, you just feel that you are still very close to each other. Is there a particular tip or practice that you do every day to keep close, apart from having coffee?
I really like being honest with my mom. I think
Sa akin, dishonest siya.
what me and my mom have, that we share with dad, it's very special.
Parang add-on ka na.
They're the best.
Abangan bukas. I like this door a lot. There's a story?
Ayan! Ako yung nag-suggest niyan.
At least meron pa lang isa, pero hindi ikaw nagkabit.
May ambag.
Lahat ng yan sa part 2 ng aking may bahay tour ni na Ice at Liza. Mga kapatid, Dimples Romana po, kumpletuhin ang inyong umaga ng mga kwentong puno ng inspirasyon. Salubungin po ang bawat araw ng may ngiti at pag-asa. Kaya't mag-subscribe na po at mag-follow na sa aming social media pages ng News 5.